Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review and we are covering 5 best marine speakers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Boss Audio Systems Marine MR60W 150 watt per pair. Boss produces an assortment of speakers and other types of sound equipment, including the MR60W speakers. These speakers are available in several different shapes and sizes, as well as different power ratings, so you should be able to find a set that'll work very well on your boat. These speakers are very affordable, but they sound great, making them a great choice for boaters who would like to upgrade their stock speakers. Features: available in black or white to match your boat's decor. Each speaker features a 1-inch mylar dome tweeter. Comes complete with grills and magnet covers. Available with a 3-year platinum online warranty. Pros: most buyers were very pleased with the sound quality of the Boss MR60W speakers. Several customers were quite happy at the cost-to-performance value these speakers provide. These speakers appear to sound great with or without an amplifier. Most customers found that these speakers were very easy to install. Cons: a few buyers were disappointed that these speakers didn't come with wires. Perfect for Boss Audio MR60Ws are the ideal speakers for budget-minded boaters who are interested in upgrading their stock speakers without spending a fortune. These are very affordable speakers, but they produce relatively high-quality sound and plenty of volume. They're also available in a wide variety of sizes, so most boaters should be able to find a pair that fit the space available. Number 2. Our second best pick is pair of Kicker 2-way coaxial 4-ohm marine speakers. Kicker is a celebrated manufacturer among many audiophiles, and they make speakers and sound equipment for a variety of applications, including boats, as the 41KM654CW are. These speakers feature a water-resistant design to ensure years of problem-free use, and they include high-end components, such as 3/4-inch titanium dome tweeters. Rated for 65 watts RMS and 195 watts peak power, these speakers will help ensure you can hear your tunes loud and clear while the wind is blowing and the waves are crashing. Features: these speakers feature a 6.5-inch coaxial 4-ohm design. Available in different colors. Great-looking grille design will look great on most boats. 2.7/8-inch mounting depth. Pros: several boaters were happy using these speakers without an amplifier. A number of buyers reported that they were very easy to install. Most customers found that these speakers provided excellent volume and sound quality. These speakers appear to be a great option for those looking to upgrade stock speakers. Cons: some owners felt they were slightly more expensive than their performance warranted. Perfect for the Kicker 41KM654CWs are the ideal choice for boaters who are interested in significantly upgrading their sound system without spending any more money than necessary. Just be sure that you measure the speaker cavities carefully, as these speakers do have relatively thick magnets, which causes problems for some customers. Number 3. Our third best pick is Sony X 6.5-inch dual-cone marine speakers. Sony is a well-known manufacturer of speakers and audio equipment, and their lineup even includes marine-ready speakers like the XSMP1611S. These speakers are perfect for use on your boat, as they're not only UV-resistant, but they also feature an IPX5 certified design, which means they can withstand a sustained, low-pressure water jet. Rated for 65 watts RMS power, these 6.5-inch speakers should sound great whether you use an amplifier or want to hook them up directly to your radio or tuner. Features: you can get these speakers in 2 versions, dual cone or coaxial. Available in black or white housings. Maximum power handling of 140 watts. The grills are removable so that you can paint them to match your vessel. Pros. Most customers were happy with the sound produced by these speakers. These speakers appear to be very easy to install. Most buyers reported that these speakers produced very little, if any, distortion. The sleek and tasteful design was popular with many buyers. Cons. A few buyers complained that these speakers are not very durable. Perfect for. If you are looking for a reasonably priced set of replacement speakers for your boat, the Sony X SMP1611S may be exactly what you're looking for. They're also a great choice for boaters who want waterproof speakers, as these speakers boast IPX5 certification. Also, because you can paint these grills to match your boat, they're a good option for boaters who care about aesthetics, as well as sound. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Garmin Fusion MS-FR6022. Although Garmin is probably most famous for their GPS products, they also make speakers, including the boat-ready Fusion MS-FR6022s designed to withstand the moisture and salt spray common to marine environments. These speakers incorporate a number of features that make them an excellent option for your boat. For example, these speakers feature fully enclosed crossovers, tweeters, and magnets, as well as waterproof cones and surrounds. Features. Designed to comply with international standards for UV stability and salt/fog resistance. Speakers are 6 inches in diameter. Speakers rated for 200 watts maximum power. Available with 3 different grill options to match your boat's decor. Pros. Most boaters loved these speakers and rated them highly. Several customers reported that they produced excellent sound, including plenty of bass. A few buyers specifically mentioned the inclusion of properly tinned wires. Cons. A very small number of customers received damaged speakers, but that can happen with any brand. Perfect for. The Garmin Fusion MS-FR6022s were some of the most impressive speakers we examined in putting together this buyer's guide. Most boaters would probably be happy with these speakers, but they're likely best suited for those who'd like to replace their existing speakers with a pair that perform very well, are built to last, and don't cost as much as some of the other high-end speakers on the market. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is new Pyle PLMR60W dual-cone boat marine water-resistant speakers. Pyle's PLMR60W speakers are designed to be affordable, while still being durable enough to hold up to the elements. Designed to be weather-resistant, these speakers come with a polypropylene cone and cloth surround, and a heavy-duty molded ABS plastic basket and grill to combat sun damage. These speakers feature a 1-inch aluminum voice coil and a low-profile design, which makes them especially well-suited for installation on many boats. Features. Available in 3 different wattage ratings, 100, 120, and 150. Designed to be completely waterproof, so they'll hold up to years of use on your boat. These speakers come in 2 colors, black and white. Come with all necessary mounting hardware and wiring. Pros. Most buyers found that these speakers provided very good quality and value for the price. Several customers reported that they provided great volume and produced very little distortion. Most buyers found that these speakers were easy to install. The aesthetics of the speakers elicited plenty of praise from buyers. Cons. A few buyers complained that the speaker color faded within a year or 2. Perfect for. Pyle's PLMR60W speakers are ideal for shoppers who need a good pair of speakers for as little money as possible. These speakers sound good for their price, they're easy to install, and they're available in 2 different colors and 3 different wattages. It may, however, be wise to purchase stainless steel hardware to avoid the rusting problem some buyers reported. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.